There's an undeniable trend towards plant-based diets. In the UK, the number of vegans quadrupled between 2014 and 2018. Even fast food giants are scrambling to offer vegan alternatives to meat. And here in Dubai, the world's largest vegan restaurant has just opened its doors. I'm not a vegan and I've never even been here before, but I'm going to go and see if I could be converted.
Veganity's founder, Sky Summers, sees her business as a movement to show people that having a plant-based diet doesn't have to be a sacrifice. There are over 200 dishes on the menu, offering everything from soul food to the gourmet.
My favourite dish is called molokhia.
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 It's an Arabic dish. It's actually the name of a leaf, a greeny leaf that looks like spinach. So you just put olive oil, onions and garlic and coriander. This is what gives it that kick. Tomato paste, white vinegar, vegetable stock. Once you add the molokhia and the tomato paste, you just let it boil to render down a bit till it becomes a bit thick. And then you just get a hand blender and blend everything together. Once it's well blended, that's it. That's molokhia. Quick and easy.
Joining me to sample Sky's menu is vegan chef and advocate Millie Rostock.
So this is what we were making earlier, the molokhia, and I added in my vegan chicken substitute, which is made out of mushrooms and pea protein.
Let's just tuck in then.
All right.
Go for it. You basically make them, it's like a dough, and then you just shred them into like small chicken-sized pieces, like chicken popcorn-sized pieces.
This is chicken.
So earlier today you made something, meat substitute.
Yeah.
From TVP.
Yeah.
Can you explain what that is?
TVP is a textured vegetable protein. It's based from soy, but it basically looks like minced meat. But it's actually a really, really healthy substitute.
Can you tell us more about the kind of story of Veganity, how it came about?
I always thought I was healthy. I always thought like I was eating right, my grilled chicken with my steamed vegetables, and I was trying to work out and do everything right. And then I kept getting sicker and sicker. I wanted to cure myself, which I did within 3-4 months.
What really took me by surprise was Sky's vegan beef burger, from the patty right down to the cheese.
This is the Level Up burger, basically the vegan version of a Big Mac.
How do you go about making a vegan cheese?
So you have to make sure you have the right nuts, because cashew has that really nutty taste. Brazil nuts I found to be so neutral, and the fattiness of it gives it a richness.
It's incredible.
It's vegan.
It's incredible.
Yeah. Amazing.
The texture is just like meat. It's succulent.
And
I would
charcoal.
absolutely not have known that was not meat.
That's the whole point.
I think
Mission
you've succeeded.
accomplished.
I think you succeeded on that front.
Yeah.